To make it short, this project proposed installing solar power pathway lines at the University of Mindanao Manila campus. This project aims to improve the safety and visibility at night in the area. Poor lighting using walkways poses risk to students and visitors. Using solar energy reduce electricity costs, support sustainability, and provide reliable lighting. The project will take 6 to 8 weeks and focus on high-traffic students area. This project helps create a safer, greener, and more modern campus. This project focuses on improving safety and visibility inside the University of Mindanao Manila campus, especially along the pathways that are poorly lit at night. Solar power lines, the university can provide reliable lighting while also saving energy and supporting students' environmental sustainability. This proposal aims to create a safer, more comfortable, and eco-friendly campus for students, faculty, and visitors. Next is utilize light with solar panels, rechargeable batteries, and automatic sensors for dust operation. These features allow the light to charge during the day through the energy of the sun and automatically turn on at night, providing reliable lighting without the need of manual operation or electricity from the campus grid. Next is position lights strategically to ensure even illumination and eliminated dark areas. Proper placement helps remove shadows and poorly lit spots along pathways, making it easier for students, especially those who have poor eyesight, to see clearly while walking. Lastly is use weather-resistant and durable materials suitable for after use. This ensures that the light can withstand rain, heat, and other weather conditions, reducing the maintenance costs and ensuring long-term functionality. This solution ensures continuous lighting without increasing electricity expenses and support environmental sustainability to not only avoid the cost of electricity since it will be continuous lighting, but also contributes to environmental conservation through supporting sustainable innovation.
Now we're moving on to our problem statement. Despite being a major educational institution, the UM Manila campus faces several issues related to inadequate pathway lighting. These problems affect the daily campus life, especially during the evening hours. As a result, there is a need for reliable, energy efficient, and environmental friendly lighting solutions to improve nighttime visibility, pedestrian safety, and support the university's green initiative. The following is the key issues that have been identified. First, insufficient lighting in campus pathways. Many walkways inside the campus is lack of proper lighting, making it difficult for students to navigate safely at night. Poor visibility increases the risk of slips, trips, and accidents. Students, faculty, staff, and visitors, particularly those attending evening class or campus activities, face an increased risk of slips, trips, falls, and other accidents. It is for needed areas may also encourage security concerns as darkness can contribute to perception of vulnerability and reduce the overall sense of safety within the campus environment. Second is high electricity consumption and operating costs. The existing of battery lighting system depends entirely on the grid-powered electricity, which operates for extended hours each night. This continuous energy demand leads to a higher electricity consumption and increased operational expenses for the university. So over time, this will place financial burden on campus maintenance and utility budgets. The third issue is lack of reliable lighting during power interruption. During power outages, electrical maintenance or system failures, the campus pathway lights can become non-functional, leaving the walkways completely unlit. So this situation causes the significant safety risk, especially in high traffic areas during the nighttime emergencies like the pathway. Without an alternative energy source, pedestrian safety and mobility are compromised, emphasizing the need of a reliable lighting solution that can operate independently on the main power grid. These concerns highlight the need for reliable, safe, and sustainable lighting solution inside the campus.
Now, I will explain our implementation plan. So this part explains how our proposed project will be carried out once it is approved. And the total project duration is around 6 to 8 weeks. And in our first phase, it's about planning and site assessment. So in this phase, the project team, together with the university administration, will identify the campus pathways that need lighting the most. Also, the site inspections and measurements will be conducted to determine the proper placement and the number of solar-powered lights that are needed. And the approval and the budget allocation will be secured during this phase. Next is the procurement of materials. So during this phase, the university will purchase the required number of solar-powered lights, the light posts, and the other installation materials. So this phase will ensure that all the materials that are needed are ready before the installation begins. Next is the third phase, which is the installation. It will take about 3 weeks. So in this phase, the installation will be carried out by the licensed technicians, and the assigned workers under supervision. So the lightings will be installed along the identified pathways. So the next is the phase 4, which is the testing and inspection, which will take 1 week. So once installed, the lights will be tested, especially during nighttime, to ensure they are functioning properly and providing sufficient illumination. And necessary adjustment will be made if needed. Lastly is phase 5, the project turnover and evaluation, which will only take 1 week. In this final phase, a final inspection will be conducted, and the project will be officially turned over to the campus maintenance team for regular monitoring and maintenance. And that concludes our implementation plan. Thank you.
Budget and resources. The proposed budget for the installation of solar pathway lights will be sourced from the University and Facilities Development Funds, or a portion of student miscellaneous fees. This project focuses on installing light along major pedestrian pathways inside the UM Atina campus. The estimated costs include labor, material, and installation expenses. Here are the labor costs. First is the project supervisor. Number of workers 1. Daily rate 700 pesos per day. Duration is 20 days. Total of 14,000. Next is the electrician and technician. Number of workers 2. Daily rate is 600 pesos per day. Duration is 20 days. A total of 24,000. Next is the general labor. Number of workers 3. Daily rate 450 per day. Duration 20 days. Total of 27,000. Total labor cost is 65,000 pesos.
To explain you the description of the material and equipment, the total cost. Then the first item is the solar power pathway light, and the quality units is 40 units, and the unit price is 4,800, and for the total cost is 1,992. And for the next item is light pole, and for the quality is 40 units, and the unit price is 1,200, and for the total cost is 48,000. And also the next item is the concrete mountain materials, and for the quality is 60 bags commit, and for the unit price is 280, and for the total cost is 16,000. And for the next item is the electrical accessories, one slot only, and the unit price is 8,000. And for the total cost is the same, is 8,000. And the last one unit items is the safety gear. And this is a one set only. And for the unit price is 6,000. And for the total cost is the same, is a 6,000. For the overall of the material and equipments is 269,000.
For the benefits and justification, the estimated cost is 355,000, covers installation of 40 durable solar-powered pathways lights designed for a long-term outdoor use. These lights operate independently of the electrical grid, resulting in zero electricity expenses and minimal maintenance costs. Although the initial investment is higher than traditional lighting, the long-term savings and environmental benefits justify the expenditure. By this, it will improve the safety and security. First is better visibility among campus pathways. It reduces risk of accidents and injuries. It also increases confidence among students during nighttime movement. It is also environmental sustainability because it uses renewable solar energy, reduction in carbon emissions, and support for university sustainability goals. It is also cost efficient, no electricity expenses, minimal maintenance requirements, and long-term operational savings. It also enhances the campus experience. It improves campus aesthetics, safer and more welcoming environment, encouragement of evening academic and extracurricular activities.
To conclude, our project proposal highlights the need for safer and well-lit pathways inside the University of Mindanao Matina campus right now. Some areas have poor lighting, which can cause accidents and safety concerns, especially at night. By installing solar-powered pathway lights, can improve visibility, enhance campus security, and make the environment more comfortable for students, faculty, staffs, and visitors. This project is also aligned with the university's goal of environmental sustainability. Using solar-powered lights helps reduce electricity consumption and promotes the use of renewable energy. Although the project requires the initial investments, it offers long-term benefits such as a lower energy cost, minimal maintenance, and reduced environmental impact. Overall, with proper planning and implementation, this project will create a safer, more sustainable, and more welcoming campus that supports the daily activities and well-being of the entire UM community.